everyone. So as you can see, I've already assembled, I bought this cute little craft kit at the Dollar Tree, and it's a St. Patrick's Day craft kit. So I've already assembled the cute little gnome and the cute little shamrock. So now I'm going to assemble the cool little doggy. So just get some of your good tacky glue that will work good for you. And so first we're going to put the little jumpsuit on the little doggy. Okay, got some glue on there. Just going to put it right there. Actually, right there. And then press down. And now we're going to put the sunglasses on his little face. And just get yourself some good tacky glue. Press down. Now we're going to do the little band on the hat. Make sure the gold buckle side is up. Okay. It goes right almost to the bottom, but not quite. Okay, and then we're going to stick his little head on his little body. You can put the glue right here. Okay, got his little head on. Now we're going to put his little hat on. And on the picture, yeah, it's just right at the very top there. So, just going to put it right here. Perfect. I'm just going to put it right there, so it's kind of like in between his ears. And there we have our cool little dog. And then we got our little shamrock. And our little gnome. I hope you enjoyed just seeing this quick little how to do it. Maybe I'll make it into short. And as always, you have a good day. And you, yes you, are so very kind. Bye.